You need to hear this if you're a frog fan. Frogs are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Frogs can do some amazing things like leaping great distances and catching insects with lightning speed. Some frogs can freeze solid in winter, surviving temperatures that would be deadly to most animals, and thaw out in spring, coming back to life as the ice melts. Plus, they absorb water through their skin, so no drinking needed. This unique ability helps them stay hydrated in various environments. And get this, tadpoles can regrow lost body parts. Imagine losing a limb and growing it back. Sadly, many frogs are endangered due to habitat loss and pollution. Their numbers are declining rapidly. Let's work together to protect these awesome amphibians. Every effort counts in saving these incredible creatures.